Hey guys, happy Homebrew Saturday. I hope your week's going well so far and your 2017's got off to a flying start. I haven't been up to too much, excuse me. I had to go back to work after Christmas, but I did manage to get to a brewery that I've been meaning to get to for a while, Sawmill Brewery. I think they brew 14 of their own beers on site. So yeah, I've got a little bit of footage. I just basically swung the camera around inside, so it's only about a minute, so I'll insert that somewhere into this video. But the main purpose of this video is to drink a beer that I've been looking forward to for several weeks now, and it is this beer here. It is the Brauhaus APA from Harvey down in Wanaka. Now, if you remember a few weeks ago, if you've been watching my last few videos, I tried the oatmeal stout from Harvey, which was very nice indeed. So this beer, the APA, Harvey suggested I leave it for a couple more weeks just to carbonate before I try it. So it's all ready to go. It's come out of the fridge, so we'll crack it open, and then I've got some info on the beer from Harvey here. So thank you very much for this, Harvey. I hope your 2017 is going well so far as well. Nice little hiss off the top, a bit of cannon smoke. I don't know if you saw that. Pour it up. I can already see it's a beautiful colour. Been hanging out for a decent pale ale or APA for probably the last week or two, so check out that colour. Hopefully it's showing up. It's a beautiful sort of rich burnt orange. Yeah, it looks fantastic. I did leave it out of the fridge for a few weeks to carbonate before I put it in the fridge just to cool it down. So it's quite lowly carb, Harvey, and apologies. Yeah, maybe I should have left it a bit longer, but it had been out of the fridge in the garage, which is quite warm for, well, basically since you sent it to me. So yeah, quite light carb, but blame me for that. So if I don't know if you're getting the same, Harvey, you might want to leave them for a bit longer. So yeah, a little bit about the beer. So this is basically version 3 of Harvey's House Ale, his American Pale Ale. It's a hop bursted APA, 6.2%, sort of mid-30 IBUs. And one of the things that caught my eye was the grain bill is American ale malt from Gladfield's, and also he's used the new Gladfield Supernova malt, which is meant to give you quite a lot of caramel flavour and aroma, I think, but without the sweetness that you'd normally get. So it's got about 10% of that. Fermented at 16 degrees with US-05, so that's nice and low. Okay, so he's done a hop burst from 20 minutes with Simcoe and Amarillo, and he's done some water additions as well. So that sounds fantastic. And also I note that this has come from a 5-litre batch, so to get a whole bottle of Harvey's beer from a small batch, I really do appreciate it. I need sort of 9 to 10 litre batches, and often I'm not left with much myself, so yeah, no, do appreciate it. Okay guys, cheers to you all. Let's get a nose on it. Cheers, Harvey. Oh yeah, straight away I'm picking up that, I think it's probably more the Simcoe. I think the Simcoe's the dominant sort of player. Yeah, I can't really, to be honest, I'm pretty hopeless when it comes to picking out individual hops, but I think it is, or one hop from another hop, but I think that is the Simcoe, and that's the one you've sort of favoured, I think, in your notes. So yeah, some sort of nice sort of orange rind sort of aroma coming through. Oh yeah, getting it now. I've let it warm up a little bit, so just to try and get all the flavour coming off the beer. That smells really nice, and then sort of just a touch of malt sweetness coming through on the nose. But yeah, it's a real nice juicy quality to the hops that are coming off there, Harvey. So yeah, no, well done with that. So let's dive in, guys. Another mouthful. Oh, that's nice. I was hoping the flavour would follow on from the aroma as far as the hops, and yeah, it's hard to explain. It's you're getting like a full mouth sort of enveloping hop flavour. You said it's a hop bursted APA, and I think yeah, I think you've hit the mark with this. It's got a real nice juicy mouth sort of coating hop quality. Yeah, about it. Real nice juicy sort of orange marmalade-y, orange rindy sort of quality to it. Now I'm getting that caramel from the Supernova. I've never had it before. But yeah, you get that, you're getting like a nice smooth caramel. You're not getting the you know, any sort of sickly sweetness you can get from, especially using 10% Supernova. That's a fair amount. So, but I'm not getting that sickly sort of quality. So, yeah, but you're still getting all the caramel through. So, yeah, it's really nice. But the hops are definitely the star, I think. The Simcoe and Amarillo. Then followed up with that nice sort of touch of caramel. I think that's really nice, really well balanced. I'll be very happy with that. It's definitely the best beer I've had since I went to the Sawmill, so that was 5 days ago. I think you've done a cracking job. I can't think of anything to change. The hops really come through, nice and juicy, like I was saying, on the aroma and the flavour. Bitterness is good for me. I like that sort of mid-30 range for pale ale. Carbonation, yeah, a little bit light, maybe a little bit more, but doesn't detract from the beer, for me anyway. Beautiful colour, and the clarity is very good as well. So yeah, if this is your house beer, yeah, I wish I lived a bit closer, because I'd be a very happy man, and I'm sure you're a very happy man drinking this all the time. So yeah, well done, Harvey, and thank you for both beers. I really do appreciate it, and yeah, we'll catch you next time. Enjoy the rest of your day and drink fantastic beers like this one from Harvey. Cheers guys, over and out.